This is a cigarette grinder. It's a cigarette grinder for music boxes. It's different. It has a beautiful appearance. This is a regular cigarette grinder. This is the largest one. This is a sharp manual one. This is also a genuine product produced by us. This is the largest one. Hey, take a look. Let's take a look. Ding, ding, ding. Inside, the workmanship is very fine. There is another layer below. Ding, ding, ding. Take out the filter screen. This is this one. This is for putting things. Take it out.